natin siksikin mo. Huwag natin siksikin mo. Huwag lang natin siksikin mo.
Kita mo siya, Ted? Hindi ka bumalik sa atin.
Ladies and gentlemen, guests, partners, exhibitors, food entrepreneurs, and food lovers from all around, good morning and welcome. This is Tony Binaro, your host for today. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to EC Brand Food and Beverage Fair 2025. Before we officially begin, may we ask everybody to join us in reverence of prayer. Let us put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Open today's event, please welcome one of the driving forces behind EC Brand PH. Let's give it up for Sir Mark Wang.
Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. First of all, syempre, thank you sa inyo lahat. And thank you my God na today, very blessed day namin today na walang ulan. And then thank God din na yung ulan is wala na. And thank you sa pagpunta. And then today, gusto ko officially showcase sa inyo yung products ng EC Pro, EC Signature, and EC Sparkle. So, brief background sa EC. So, we are very proud Filipino brand na catering to the food service industry. So today, papakita namin, you can taste our products for free. You can ask information about our products, and then if you want to open and start your business, you can approach any of our staff, and then we will be very happy to assist you. So we are available nationwide, free delivery to nationwide, as in from Luzon hanggang Mindanao. So from our humble beginnings, and today, very happy ako kasi season 3 na namin. So nag-start kami Mega Mall, first year namin. And second year, Mega Mall pa rin. And right now, SMX na. So hopefully next year, baka SMX na buo na or World Trade. So thank you sa ating customer. I officially welcome you sa ating event for today. Thank you.
Once again, everybody present, EC Brand PH, Mr. Mark Wang, and we are manifesting that, sir, a bigger, braver, and bolder EC Brand PH fair coming very, very soon. And with that said, we'd also like to take a moment to acknowledge the EC Brand leaders joining us here today. The CEO of EC Brand PH, let's give it up for Mr. Peter Dipiaco. Our Managing Director of EC Brand PH, Sir Brandon C. Of course, we heard him earlier, Mr. Mark Wang, President of EC Brand PH. Our beloved EC Pro main brand ambassador, Chef Boy Logro. Actor, entrepreneur, and our esteemed guest of honor, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Mateo Minichetti. Handa na ba tayong lahat? Yeah! Handa na ba tayong lahat? Yeah! Alright everyone, it's time. Join me in the countdown as we cut our ribbon for the EC Brand Food and Beverage Fair 2025. Gentlemen, ready on your scissors. Hold on. We'll do the countdown. 5 seconds. Everybody join me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, cut the ribbon. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, this is Brand Food and Beverage Fair 2025. For today's festivities. Now we are so excited to have you all here as we officially open this event featuring culinary talents, beverage masters, food enthusiasts, food entrepreneurs from all over the country and beyond. Now to officially start our on-stage, there you go, our on-stage welcome. Let's welcome the inspiring faces behind Easy Brand PH, our leaders, innovators, food experts, culinary professionals, and ambassador joining us today. Leading the way, of course, is our president, Mr. Mark Webb. Let's give him a round of applause. We also have our CEO of Easy Brand PH, Sir Peter Liuquiaco. Our Managing Director of Easy Brand PH, Sir Brandon C. And of course, joining us is a true Filipino icon in culinary arts, our Easy Pro main brand ambassador, a celebrated Filipino chef who gained fame through his popular cooking show, including Idol sa Kusina and Kusina Master. Recognized globally, he has been the brand ambassador of Easy Pro Premium Sauce and Powder Mixes since 2022. Of course, solidifying his impact in the culinary industry. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Chef Boy Logro. We also have our Easy Pro faces today, starting off with our celebrity chef and one of the proud faces of Easy Pro, a graduate of CCA and administrator of Culinary Filipino Chef Society. She continues to inspire her with her passion for Filipino heritage cooking and approachable recipes. Give it up for Chef Shea Jacinto. Our Filipino celebrity and a culinary chef known for his appearance in commercials, TV shows, and movies. He has recently become one of the faces of Easy Pro, further establishing his presence in the culinary world and entertainment industry. Give it up for Chef Arvic Tan. Our Filipino-Chinese chef based in Singapore is a rising star on Netflix Maverick Academy with Chef Alvin Leong. Known for his award-winning culinary skills, he is also the new international face of Easy, further cementing his growth, influencing the global market. Ladies and gentlemen, Chef Carl CJT. A passionate restaurateur and one of the proud faces of Easy Pro, palakpakan po natin, Chef Brenston. One of the warm and inspiring faces of Easy Pro, a true homemaker. At heart, she brings comfort, flavor, and love to every dish she creates. Ladies and gentlemen, homemaker Pai Gampo. One of the vibrant faces of Easy Pro, representing the Gen Z spirit. She brings fresh energy, creativity, and a modern twist to the kitchen. Gen Z, represented by Ana Hilario. More to come, he is the 2023 Philippine Brewers Cup champion and the official brand ambassador of Easy Signature. As the country's top manual brewing competitor, he has represented the Philippines at the World Brewers Cup 2024 in Chicago. With over a decade of experience, he is the head barista of Crema and Cream Coffee Roasters, known for his passion, precision, and advocacy of Filipino coffee. Let's give it up for Mr. Luis Celorio. An experienced mixologist and a 2024 brand ambassador for Easy Signature, he has won multiple competitions, including the Easy Fair Beverage Cup of 2023 and the JCI Cebu Tablea mixing competition in 2024. A round of applause for Mr. Romel Papa. A celebrated chef or cake artist, this time a baking instructor and the official brand ambassador of Easy Sparkle. She is the founder of Custom Cakes by Bam and co-owner of Monster Bake Cafe in Quezon City. known for her stunning floral cakes and creative custom designs. She has been featured in American Cake Decorating Magazine and leads the online community Big Happy Manila with over 125,000 members. Let's give it up for Chef Bam Piensenaves. She is a baker, entrepreneur, and the proud champion of the Easy Sparkle and Shine Cake Creation in 2023. And as one of the faces of Easy Whipmate, she continues to inspire in her creativity and passion for baking. Let's give a warm welcome to Chef Sabrina. And finally, we are honored to welcome our guest of honor, actor, entrepreneur, and the passionate advocate for Filipino excellence. Let's give him an easy brand welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Matteo Gudicelli. And to formally introduce the brand that we are celebrating today, please welcome a key leader whose vision continues to drive innovation, quality, and growth at Easy Brand PH. The president of Easy Brand, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for Mr. Mark Wang.
Kahit na yung weather natin unpredictable, thank you sa pag-support sa Easy mula noon hanggang ngayon, mula 2019 hanggang ngayon. So today, season 3 na natin, third na expo. So kaya din kami nagaganito kasi normally nag-join si Easy sa mga food expo like Buffex,